channel, guys. Behind me is a beautiful brand new Lunar Edition Ram TRX. Mr. Chavez is local here in Houston, so it makes it easy for him to come by the shop, take a look at other packages that we've built, and even go for rides in some to determine on what his end goal was and what he actually wanted out of his. So after actually riding in I think 1 or 2 different TRXs, we decided to go with our 950 horsepower supercharged package, which is essentially the factory blower just ported and all the goodies to go along with it, which you can see it looks really good, but I'll tell you more about that later. Let's go talk about the performance under the hood for right now.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late Model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
What our 950 horsepower package includes. So this truck we actually finished about a month ago. It's making over 800 and I'll just say around 815 or 830 rear wheel horsepower on E85. Customer picked the car up, like I said, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. He's been driving it with the stock wheels and tires on it. As y'all can see, a little bit of mud underneath the hood. He's been enjoying it. But again, guys, this is, I call it one of the perfect packages for the TRX for you guys that are wanting a max effort with the factory supercharger. So essentially, we have American Racing long tube headers on it for the exhaust system, and we keep everything else from the, I call it the axle back factory as far as the tips and everything goes. And then for the supercharger, it is a full Kong ported supercharger. So the supercharger is ported, the snout is ported, and of course when we go to do that, we want to turn the boost up. So we run lower balancers to Innovative West, lower to spin the supercharger harder, as well as the supercharger pulley itself. We run it smaller to get the boost levels. A truck like this is roughly 17 to 18 pounds of boost while running on E85. And as y'all can tell from just seeing right under the hood, the nice SMB cold air intake. It looks very nice, it functions very well. Y'all can see from here how it actually connects to the hood for a real ram air effect, where some of the other ones that we do, the 5 inches, don't get a true ram air effect. So again, depends on what package we're doing, what we're doing with the car, determines on what air box we run. I think y'all have seen a lot of our videos. We'll run the big 5-inch that comes over here with 2 air filters on this side. Again, that one makes just as much horsepower as these, but it's for different kind of applications depending on what the customer's gonna do with it, off-roading or not. Again, so his goal was to have a fun daily driver that he can take on the weekends and go to a drag strip and have fun with, right? So as y'all can see from looking at it, just from the outside, it doesn't look like your average TRX. We went with the 20-inch welds all the way around, and as y'all can see, the Mickey Thompson, I think we went with the 305 45 20. Sorry, we just got done doing another video shoot with wheels and tires. So yeah, it's a 20-inch wheel with a 305 45 20. It is the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS. This thing, guys, all-wheel drive. If y'all watch our previous videos on TRXs that make this kind of horsepower, you'll see it literally all through first gear spinning the tires. This thing, it spins for, I'd say, 10 to 15 feet and then just hooks up and goes. So the 60 foot on this thing should be better, and I'll get into more of that later. Also from the outside, the exterior, guys, it is a Lunar Edition, so in the inside it has the blue stitching. We did it our own touch. The customer asked if we could do this, and so you other TRX owners out there, or even Corvette guys out there that want something additional when it comes to badging on your vehicle, we can do this. So we added the blue for the R on the TRX, as well as the Late Model Racecraft sticker right here underneath it. Comment below, let me know what you guys think about the color, because to me, I think it turned out perfect. It's not even my truck, and I love the way we did it. So again, guys, this is a little bit different TRX than what y'all have seen. Most of them have factory wheels and tires on them, spinning the tires. This one is gonna dead hook and go. So I'm about to go take it on the street. Previous ones roughly run, if I had to guess, about 1150, mid 11s, with probably 1.8 to 1.9 60 foots. With these wheels and tires, I'm expecting hopefully a 1.6, 1.7 60 foot and a rock bottom 11. If the weather was better, I honestly think this thing might be a 10-second truck, but I'm gonna hop in it now and go see what it can do. Got some wheels and tires on it right now. We are in the worst case scenario when it comes to conditions to run this thing, but I want to see if I can get it to go like a 1.6 60 foot is my goal. If it goes a 1.7, I'll still be happy, but a 1.6 60 foot and see what this thing will go out the back door, even in these absolutely horrible conditions. I'm not going to use launch control. I'm just going to foot brake it and see what it does.